Hello guys, let's discuss a concept of judicial reviews and understand, does this give court an arbitrariness in its deciding the issues in hand or not, or discuss what laws backing such concept. So guys, I am Kartikeya Hundet in a team of LEXIS and Company as an intern. The purpose behind this video is only for the educational purpose, not for any advertisement or anything else. The program given by the LEXIS and Company as a virtual internship program, I am in a part of that, and the purpose behind this video to understand a concept which should we know by every having any law background or having any law student or any layman can be understand what can be his right or to approach court if there is a violation of its fundamental rights. So guys, I am discussing in this video is judicial review. So judicial review can be said that it gives a power to court to review any case comes before him if it is violating of any fundamental right or it is violation of the constitutional basic principle of constitutions of basic doctrine trust. So what does this mean, judicial review? Judicial review is that the court having a power to review any policies or any laws or any issues which is violative of any fundamental right or any violation of basic structural doctrines. So guys, judicial review can be treated as the Supreme Court power or High Court power. So the law backing such authorities or such rule is the Article 32 and Article 226. These two articles plays an important role in it. So now in discussing about what are these two laws, and we understand that under Indian Constitution, Supreme Court and High Court are empowered to issue a writ. So writ are enforceable under articles for a case for the enforcement of fundamental right under Article 32 Supreme Court and Article 226 to High Court. So 32 plays an important role in the development of any development of judiciary or in the legal society of India, because it gives a person a right to enforce or ask relief if there is a violation of any his of fundamental right by the state of any other authorities. Whereas Article 226 give him a right to go to the Supreme High Court for any enforcement of fundamental right or any other purpose. So in any other purpose means the any other constitutional right, if it is violated, it can be reached to the 226. So we can say that the Article 32 has narrower scope. The party can only go to Supreme Court for the violation of fundamental right given under Article Part 2 of the Constitution, whereas 226 gives a broader scope for a person to approach a High Court for a violation of fundamental right as well as any constitutional right is if any violated. So the Article 32 of Indian Constitution is one of the important part of Indian Constitution, because it gives 5 basic writs in an instrument which can help the party to seek or persons to ask the Supreme Court to reach to court for the violation of fundamental right which are guaranteed by the constitutions. So there are 5 type of writ. In this video I only discuss about what are the various type of these type of writ and only of the meaning of them, not going deep in it. So the 5 writs are the habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari and quo warranto. So 5 we can understand very easily. So first is the habeas corpus, or it in literal means to bring the body. It is basically used when any person is detained by the police or in any custody and does not produce by such authorities in a court within 24 hours of his arrest. So the party's relative or herself can file a writ in the Supreme Court for the bring such person in the before the law. The case is Sunil Batra versus Delhi administration can easily be understood, where Supreme Court enlarged the scope of habeas corpus, making available to fundamental right of a prisoner. Now the second is the mandamus. Writ of mandamus means we command. So in this the superior court commands the lower court for any to perform any act or within fall in its duty if such act does such inferior court or authority or tribunal does not perform it. So it gives the command. It gives superior court means High Court to District Court, Session Court to lower court, or Supreme Court to High Court. This is a hierarchy, if you understand the hierarchy of the courts. The writ of certiorari is can also be said as to be certified, means to certify that if such issues is passed, it should be Supreme Court to inferior court or tribunal to transfer such matter to a court of superior authority with a proper consideration if such court does not have a competent jurisdiction. The other is the writ of quo warranto. Quo warranto means know what authority on you have. If someone having know what authority one is holding the public person. If giving you example to understand it more properly, if a person is given appointed as a district magistrate, whereas in the district he is performing a duty of judicial magistrate or performing a civil judge duty. In this case, the person can ask file a court of quo warranto and ask the person in what authority you are performing such duty. If you are appointed as district magistrate, you have to perform duty of district magistrate, not a judicial magistrate. So in this way you can understand very easily the what are the writ can be helpful for a person in enforcement of fundamental rights. So I hope guys you understand what are the judicial review means, and it helps the court to enforce the person's rights. If there is a violation, it does not make the court arbitrariness power. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you are all in good health.